Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying eligibility. Call your carrier and ask if they support same number on 2 SIMs. Once confirmed, collect identifying details, IMEI, SIM ICSID, and account PIN, because the provider will need them to link a second SIM. Now insert the secondary physical SIM or prepare the eSIM QR on your second device. Make sure both devices are charged and on stable Wi-Fi, since activation requires internet. Following these prerequisite speeds the next steps and prevents account lockouts. You now request a duplicate SIM or an eSIM profile through the carrier app, website, or support line. Explain you want the same phone number on 2 active SIMs. Provide the second device IMEI or the new SIM ICSID and complete authentication with your account PIN. Once the carrier issues a QR code, activation code, or over-the-air push, follow their instructions exactly. Once done, the second SIM will register on the network and mirror service for calls and texts in most setups. You finish by testing. Place calls, send SMS, and use mobile data on both devices to confirm parity. If a service fails, restart both phones, reapply the eSIM QR or reinsert the physical SIM, and wait up to 10 minutes for network provisioning. If issues persist, ask the carrier to reprovision. Also confirm voicemail and billing rules, because call routing or message delivery may differ. If simultaneous use isn't supported, the carrier will explain alternatives, ask for escalation if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.